Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change account name in Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to change account name in Firefox browser Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the account icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the account menu here. Now here it is in the account menu. In the account name section, tap Add here. And it will appear like this. In this section, type the name you will use in the Firefox browser account. Then tap Save. Now you can see here my name has been successfully changed. So that's it, tutorial how to change account name in Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.